Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to work on Upwork and of course how to earn money on Upwork. So it's just gonna be like a little comprehensive video about Upwork jobs in general and how you can earn the most money for your efforts. As you can see guys, I already have my account. I have already done a lot of work here for a lot of different people. So I think I can show you guys what to do in general. First of all, I'm just gonna assume you have created an account for yourself already, which you should do anyway. Your account is the most important thing you can do because it should look good. Of course, it's not the only thing that you need. You gotta do a lot more than that, but having a good profile helps. Let's assume you created a new account. You go in, you should go in your profile and make sure everything is fully added. You can promote it with ads in general. You can change your hours, languages, verifications. If you have any licenses, you gotta put everything down. And of course, if you want to put projects here and everything, you can show people what you can do. Of course, this is the version I see, and when it's done, people will see it like this. It's a simpler project, it's simple, but of course, it should tell people what you can do. Of course, the more jobs you take, the more people will see, oh, hey, this guy is doing the work. So yeah, the more jobs you take, the less of a profile detail you need, because you will need less and less of that. But of course, when you are just a beginner, you need a good looking profile to make sure you can actually take people and make sure you do work. And of course, there is the getting the jobs part. So what we need for that on Upwork is something called connects. So basically Upwork gives you connects every month for free, a small amount of connects every month. So when that happens, you just go in and let's say you have 10 connects here instead of 0 like I do. Let's say you have 10 because I have used mine. You will of course go in and say deliver work maybe, or find work first. Let's say find work. So you can search for jobs, or you can see the most recent that matches your skills, by the way, which you should be doing in your profile. Let's say you did that, or you search for jobs. I can search for video. I can just say video and see what happens when I search for video jobs. I can say experience level, all of the experience levels, or just if you close all of them, same thing will happen. I can just see, as you can see, cold caller and everything, dynamic video creator, Sora AI video editor, an animated training video on cybersecurity practice, and everything you could from, as you can see, AI video editor to T-education video course editor. You will see any of these. And let's just say you want to try to do that one, because this has less than 5 proposals, of which means it probably has none or only 1 or 2. I'm just gonna click on that. We'll see it needs 10 connects. Let's say I did that and I could just apply for this job, right? That would be perfect. Let's say I try to apply. Of course, I don't have any connects, so I cannot do it for right now. But of course, I can show you guys the process to actually apply for a work. As you can see, this has a big project overview. They show all the responsibilities you have to do. Oh, there are yes, there are film. Yeah, this one needs filming as well. Yeah, the first draft. Okay, they're the whole completion thing and everything, which is a lot, but at least they are explaining everything that you should be doing. This is good. And of course, if you are agreeing to all of this, if this is all fine for you, you just go to the terms. What is your hourly rates? And what do you receive? There's a 10% freelancer fee, of course. So depending on what your hourly rate is, they're gonna take a 10% cut. So let's say my hourly rate is 15. I never charge hourly rate, so I did not care about that much when I was doing it, because I generally do work to work, like project based work, so I don't generally charge hourly. Let's say we did 15, and then Upwork would take 10% of that and give us 13.5. And of course, like depending on how long the work is gonna take, we can like take a small increase, and it shows us what we will receive in like later months as well. And then there are the parts, the cover letter and our value. So this part, this box is always here. Like this one you have to do always. And this one is an extra that the project manager that opened this wanted. So I can just say like, hey, I'm a freelance. I'm really experienced in video production myself, and I think can do this work perfectly. We can do great videos together. Can't wait to work with you. Like, let's just say I wrote like something like that here. The point is, they also have like a beta feature by Uma. It's like an AI that helps you write. I have done hundreds of videos before and definitely can do more. So since like it's already like 100%, since we have written enough, now I can get tips by the AI as well. Consider mentioning specific video production skills. This like gives you tips like what you can do. It doesn't like write it for you. It just says like, hey, maybe like focus on these stuff as well. So this like helps. But we're gonna do that here anyway. Normally, like I haven't done any T videos before, but I can do general long form videos. And once that's done, of course, you send it for 10 connects here. And if you don't have any connects, you can always buy them here. Like you can just say, hey, buy connects, and then it takes you to a page, and then you get the connects. They're really cheap actually. Like this would at least let you get into a job. And of course, once that's done, you will be able to talk with them on the messages. And when, of course, you do that, like when you are doing it in general, you will be able to just say, hey, we'll do that. And they will like open up a general box for you, like a new money box. And like it's something called Escrow. The same thing they do with houses and stuff. The money is there, and once you do it, you are able to get that money. And once you get it, there is a get paid section in the, of course, like you can just go membership plan here. I can just like click on the membership plan and then say get paid. And if I say get paid now, I will be able to get money into my account and then say, hey, I want to get paid. And then they will give me the money. Of course, there is a withdrawal fee. So you can't just like, you shouldn't be doing that for like whenever you get a money, you should be getting that. No, just wait a little. But of course, that's for later. I hope this video helped you guys. And if it did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.